Alright, this is the second video for week 2 distance learning involving fraction busting, which is a process we use to solve really kind of ugly looking equations in a much simpler way. So if I have something like this, 1/3 times x plus 3/4 times x equals 8. Not an easy equation by any means. Alright, looks really kind of ugly and not fun at all. With fraction busting, you can eliminate all the fractions and turn it into a much easier equation. So what you would do is, you would find the common denominator of the fractions. So the common denominator for 3, 4, and 1 would be 12. And then here's where people end up making a mistake. We're not changing the bottom to 12. We are going to multiply every single thing on both sides by 12. So again, I find the common denominator and I multiply everything times that. So this would turn into 12 over 3x plus 36 over 4x is equal to 96. And then through simplifying, I have 4x plus 9x equals 96, because 12 divided by 3 is 4, 36 divided by 4 is 9. So now you look at what was a very messy looking equation, and it's turned into something much simpler, and it will still give you the same answer. So one more quick example. If I had, let's say, 1/2 x plus 2/3 x equals 15, I would look for the common denominator for the fractions. 2, 3, and 1. The common denominator would be 6, so I multiply the top of everything. I'm teeter-tottering. I'm multiplying everything times 6 on both sides. And then through simplifying, I have 3x plus 4x equals 90. And then you would just go through the same process you always do, combine like terms, do the opposite to get rid of this, and your answer would be x is equal to 90 over 7. So again, fraction busting, you're taking what is an ugly looking equation with fractions, multiplying everything by the common denominator, and getting a much easier equation to solve.